Before you wait 6 months for a builder to finish, come see what ready now actually looks like. This home right here in Tierra Montana gives you that new home feel, modern, clean, move-in ready, but without the extras you have to add later. Check out this spacious kitchen with granite countertops, a pantry, and all the stainless steel appliances already here. There's even a washer and dryer. You got your backyard already landscaped. This amazing neighborhood is known for its small town feel and desert setting near Estrella and South Mountains. And the best part, you're just minutes away from Phoenix, the airport and major freeways, which means you're not only buying a house, you're buying time and convenience.